My name is Selena Summer. I am the general manager of the Best Western Plus in Champaign. It's off at 516 West Market View Drive. We have a 98-room property. We offer an indoor heated pool. We have a business center, fitness center. We offer a meeting space, both with 12 people and also 48 people, so quite extensive. We usually offer a hot breakfast in the morning. We have free Wi-Fi. We went through a $1.7 million top to bottom renovation, and we've all updated furniture, updated gym equipment. We did remove our hot tub, however, the space that we've utilized for that was in the fitness center. We've completely updated all that as well. So we've got new beds, new TVs, all the fixtures have been updated, more modern with more outlets for your phones, USB compatibility. In order to keep our guests and also our employees safer, we've updated the check-in process. We use a hands-free check-in process. That way you can just get on this application and we can check in and communicate with you that way. Let us know if you need anything in particular. We also have partitions up at the front desk. All of our staff utilizes the proper safety equipment. We've updated how we clean the rooms with a high impact cleaner as well. We use a high grade peroxide cleaner for the rooms. We also do extra sanitizing. We removed a lot of the extra amenities in the rooms, like the smaller pillows, things of that nature, just things that aren't necessary in the rooms. With our breakfast, we've also updated that as well. We unfortunately do not offer a hot breakfast any longer, but we do offer grab-and-go breakfast bags that are available at the front desk just for our guest convenience. Guests can still access the fitness area. We just ask that you wear masks while you're in there. We have at least 2 people in there at any point in time. Wipe everything down whenever you're finished. And then we do extra sanitizing overnight. And then with the pool area, we also have a 20-person maximum in there. Guests can only be there for 1 hour at a time per room. That way it kind of mitigates the exposure. Our meeting spaces, like I said, one seats about 12, the other one seats about 38 to 40 people, and we try not to let people have parties in the room, so we've completely cut out that service, but we still allow corporate travelers to come in and use the Wi-Fi. We've got projectors, anything that's needed. There is enough rooms for social distancing. We do offer a first responder rate for nurses, all essential workers. That's a $70 flat rate, and that's good at any point in time, even weekends on high impact times. All you need to do is Google Best Western Plus in Champaign. We have a listing that'll take us directly to our corporate website, or you can contact the hotel directly at 217-355-5566, and you can talk to any of our front desk agents 24/7.